It's a certified 2020 Toyota Corolla. When a car leaves such a striking impression, it's perfectly normal to stare. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Configurable instrument gauges, Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, smart device navigation, inline 4-cylinder engine, manual telescoping steering column, doors and push-button start proximity key, streaming audio, active grille shutters, gas pressurized shocks, and LED low and high beam headlights. Kelley Blue Book reports Toyota's Corolla sedan continues to offer buyers a proven commodity that delivers value, efficiency, and peace of mind. Toyota, steered by ingenuity, driven by passion. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Giant Carson Toyota, just off I-405 at the Wilmington exit in Carson, California. Take us for a ride.